What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be telling you my top 5 ways to become a better graphic designer as a beginner. This is going to help you get started and some things you should look out for and apply to your designing. So without further ado, let's get started. The first tip I have for you is the obvious: practice a ton. So I know you're like, oh, we already know practice, but really do it, because if you do like one design a day, that's really going to make you better compared to doing it like once every week. And another thing that you could do to make your practicing more efficient is actually trying different things that you haven't done before, because if you try different things you haven't done before, then it's going to be completely new to you and you're going to have to try a little bit harder. But if you do the same thing that you know how to do already, you're not going to get any better at that because you're already good at it. So definitely try to mix up what you're actually doing and you're practicing, and try practicing some things that you want to do in the future, even if you're not good at it. The next one is super important, and I see a lot of people fail at this. It's make original content. Have your own style, have your own designs, because if you're copying everyone and just using templates, you're not going to get any better, and they're just going to look over your stuff because it's nothing special. They've seen it before. So if you try to go outside of your box, and you could still get inspiration from people, and that's totally fine, but to completely copy them is not a good thing to do. But making your own style makes you stand out a lot more and makes people more willing to look at your content. So like, I'm not saying this as in video, I'm saying this as in like designing when I say content. So like, I have my own style now. I used to get inspiration from somebody, but then I kind of drifted off and tried my own things. I've tried a lot of different styles, and I really like my current one. So you just gotta find your own style, experiment, and find it. And once you get it, then you're gonna be way more likely to pull more people to your channel. This next one goes hand in hand with the last one. It is get inspiration. So look at other designers and see what works. So take a bunch from their designs and make it your own. So don't completely copy them like I was saying, but use that inspiration to make your own designs. And inspiration is really good, so you can get an idea of what you should be doing and how you could structure things, and it'll actually make you a way better designer. When you see composition that works, you see how they do the coloring. So look at your top designers and take inspiration from that. That's a really good way to get better. The next one is to keep your stuff simple, but not too simple. So I know it's kind of an oxymoron, but you want to keep your stuff clean so people can read it easily. You don't want a bunch of freaking layers flying everywhere. Like, you want to be able to see what's going on. If you have like 300 layers all stacked on each other and not blended together very good, then it's going to look really bad. But if you have something too simple, like black text on a white background, that's also most of the time not going to work out. So have a good balance between abstract and simple. Also, pick a few colors to use in your design. Don't go overboard with it. Don't have a rainbow in your design, because it's just not going to look good. It's not going to be easy on the eyes. You want it to all flow very good. So stick to like a color theme, and it's going to help you out in the long run. The next one is super important as well, because I've definitely regretted this before. It's to make sure you double check your work before you're done and save it. And also save it as a PSD in case you like forgot something, because I don't know how many times I've saved it, done everything to it that I wanted to do, and then I look back and there's a typo. Like, I still have a thumbnail up. You could probably find it. I think it's like a Twitter banner, but I put only one N in banner, and I just could not be bothered to remake it, so I just left it up, and it has one N. So stuff like that, you really want to double check before you save it, because that could come back to bite you in the butt, and you don't want that to happen. The last one is kind of like the original content one. It's always try to improve. So always try to make your designs better. You're never the best, just know that. So always keep striving to be the best, and keep doing tons of different things, different styles of graphic designing to be as good as possible. And if you're not trying to improve, then your designs aren't going to be improving either, and you don't want that to happen. You want to always make your designs better. So that's why I've constantly been changing my style on this channel in terms of thumbnails and channel art, because I've been getting better. As you can see from my first few tutorials, my designs were not that great, but I've gotten a lot better over time because of making videos and all that. So just always try to improve, and just know that you're not the best. If you guys enjoyed this video, it would be much appreciated if you liked and subscribed. I make a lot of other content like this, and hopefully this video got you thinking about some things in terms of designing. Maybe you guys are gonna try harder to do different things, or maybe you're just not gonna do anything. Well, that's your choice, but it's gonna affect you. And the people that are trying to get better, you're gonna see results, trust me. So anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.